LPH Motorsports. What to do, what it is.
What up?
On today's episode, I don't even know what number it is anymore, but today's episode, that number. Today we're installing the AJE K member. I didn't get it with the control arms because we're on a budget for right now. It fits with stock control arms.
Keep the paint job though.
Paint job came out good. It's the first time it's honestly been outside, and well, it's not even in the sun because we have the 10 out, but we'll bake it in a little bit. We're gonna change all of that. Everything that's red is coming out. We're gonna put the manual rack, the power steering rack for now. I haven't ordered the manual rack. We're gonna leave the stock springs. I already have talking to a company. Hopefully they can get me the right springs.
Suspension staying stock for right now.
Stock is
mainly today we're just switching out the K member
and freeing up a lot of space in here.
Swapping over the power steering rack. So
we'll update you guys in a little while. All right, here's a little update. Off. Now on to the next side. Wasn't pretty hard. Those things have probably never been taken off.
93.
The shocks are 100% blown. Grab one. Show them the shock over here. Shock is like non-existent.
Yeah, so this is what you want your shocks not to do.
It just falls right on itself. So definitely need shocks.
If it can't hold the weight of the actual top of the shock, the top hat and the piston and all that that's inside of it, it's not gonna hold the car. Definitely need shocks on this one. But this side is off. Now working on the driver's side. We'll update you in a little while. Alright guys, update. We're dropping the K member. Yayo's over here. We got the driver's side free. Yayo's over here working on the passenger side. We got it supported right now with the jack. Hopefully we don't mess up our toes. You clear there?
Good.
Alright, we're gonna start dropping it right now.
I gotta smooth the steering shaft.
Grab the pry bar. So we're dropping it right now, guys, and we'll keep y'all posted in a little bit once we get her out. We gone for now, I guess.
Here you go, another update. It's out. Out completely. Came out actually really smooth. Had no hiccups for once. It's not the LPH way. So I guess
we did almost lose fingers, but that's fine.
I guess today's a good day for us. Look at the difference of this to
This
that.
thing weighs like absolutely nothing.
This thing!
That is like ridiculous.
It's ridiculously heavy. That's at least 30 pounds that we're losing off the nose.
Looks like garbage.
It's peeling all up here. Flaking. That is tubular.
And it's shiny. Come on, man.
It's new.
It's shiny. It looks great.
It's gonna save us a lot of space, and the LS bolts right into that. And it's good to go. We're gonna start putting it back in now. We're gonna take off the control arms, swap them over, and start putting it back together. We'll update you in a little while. All right, guys, we're here for another update. We got this side done. The spring gave us a pretty good fight. We don't have a spring compressor. Bio's over here. We're tackling the driver's side now. We're gonna get this done. The K member looks really good. We'll show you guys the finished product when we're done. Catch you in a little while. All right, guys, another update. Coño, got on my nose. It's in. It's definitely in. Everything's tidied up. We didn't tighten everything really tight because we're gonna end up getting different springs, different shocks.
The only thing that's not gonna come out is gonna be the K member. Everything else
K member is staying in. Everything else is getting replaced, so we didn't tighten everything to the extreme. It's tight. We can roll it back and forth.
That German torque
it's
plate,
done.
good and tight.
It's in. Everything's up. The K member came out beautiful. We're now ready to put the wheels on, clean up our mess. We got parts everywhere. We'll hit you guys back in a little while.
Yo, what it do, what it is. We're wrapped up, done for the day. Finito. That's it. Se acabó body. Whatever you want to say, we're donezos.
Wiping down the tools.
Yayo's over here picking up.
I like clean tools.
There it is.
I have a white toolbox.
Couldn't flip it.
I have a white toolbox. You gotta keep clean tools.
You know how it be. It be like that sometimes. Ooh, red Solo cup. So we got the K member installed. We got the stock rack back on. We're probably gonna get a new one. Swapping out all the suspension. This is all just temporarily in place to roll the car around and drive it around and do stuff to it. So how's our thing go? We gone. Deuces, guys.